Okay, memory card went off a minute ago, but I just talked about geometry and commenting on, I've made a couple of errors here, and if I knew geometry, I wouldn't have. This line should have been dotted, and a quick calculation of what I'm about to explain and just did a minute ago says that we probably sliced 35% of this thing or so. Although I don't see how we could have sliced more than a third, but hadn't thought it through. Okay, so here's our figure. Now, what's the volume of the prism? Volume of the prism is, as we should know from geometry, and I think I'd already said this, the area of the base times the altitude. Okay? Area of the base, well, the base is a triangle that you can easily verify to be 3 units in this direction, 3 units in this direction. Okay, it's a right triangle, so it's half of a square. It's half of a 3 by 3 square, meaning it's half of an area of 9, so the area is 4.5. So that equals area of the base, which is 4.5. And of course, that's the area of any cross section, because this is a prism, multiplied by the altitude, which is 12. Okay? And that comes out to 54. Okay? So what I actually have here is 2/3 of the altitude. Okay? Meaning I sliced off a third, 33 1/3%. Okay, so that estimate was a little low. And why do I say that? Because our volume is 36 if we did the integral correctly. We differ by 1/3 of a unit on our results. Yours is by calculator, but mine seems okay, so I don't know who's right and who's wrong, but right now I'd go 50-50. Actually, I'd go in your favor because you used the calculator and you know what you're doing. Okay, so this means that our result is entirely plausible, right? Okay. So there isn't a whole lot more to say except that this confirms the idea that our integral should give us the volume of this region. Okay?